Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics editor developed and published by Adobe for Windows and macOS. It was created in 1987. Although there are many amazing alternatives to it, especially Affinity, Photoshop has its own loyal fans. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 6 months of Adobe Photoshop for free. In this video, we're using the Photoshop web version since it can run on any device with a browser. So to do this, all you need to do is to open up your Google Chrome browser or any other Chromium browser. Head over to chromewebstore.google.com, and once you got there, search for Adobe Photoshop or simply click on the link in the description below. If you scroll a little bit, you can see that you can get 6 months of free access to Photoshop Web, available through 6 October 2026. This may be renewed again because last time it was offering 1 year free until 8 December. So click here on Add it to Chrome. Once installed, it will be added to your toolbar. Click on this icon, find Photoshop and pin it over here. Now you can start your 6 month free by clicking here and then logging into your account. Now if you want, you can add this web application as an application to your desktop. Click here on Get Browser App and then install it. So let's start with the UI. You can see that at the top we've got some other Adobe applications, but these aren't free since we got only the Photoshop Pro version. To start with Adobe Photoshop, first upload a file by dragging it here or clicking here. You can also start by searching for an image. As an example, I'm going to search for Tech with Mobin, which is my channel's name. Then if I right click on it, there will be an option available for Adobe Photoshop. This will also add the image to my editor. And now I can do simple things like adjusting colors, cropping, removing the background, or for more advanced editing, you can click on the Edit in Photoshop Web. Now you can see that this image is uploaded and ready to edit. You have access to almost all the tools Adobe Photoshop gives you in the app version. Size and position, generative AI, adjusting colors, select tools, retouch tools, quick actions, effects, paint, shapes, type, images, eyedropper, changing foreground and background colors, and on the right side you have access to layers, layer properties, edit history, and comments. Almost every essential tool is available here, just like the application version of Photoshop. On the top left, you've got the burger menu, which lets you get back to home, create a new file, open a project, save it, invite people, and access various options for documents, image editing, layers, selections, views, effects, export and imports, and also settings. So this was today's video. I know it was a little bit short and I didn't want to waste your time. So that's it. I hope this video was useful for you and see you in the next video.